Hey you all, I just wanted to jump on and just give you an update on my little garden. Everything is going pretty good, you all. I think it's been about a month since I posted up. I will post up some videos from start to where we are right now in the process after this video, but I just wanted to kind of give you all a little sneak peek of where we are at this point. Right now we have planted some eggplant, lemongrass, lavender, peppers, cucumbers, yellow squash, and oregano, and basil as well. But we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what we got going on here. So you all, right here we have some marigold plants that we are planting around the garden. Like it deters pests and bugs and insects and all of that stuff. So this is just plants that we have potted them because we had a lot of them, but we also put it in in the plant bed. And these bins that you see here, my husband's doing a little landscaping out here, so things are not together all the way. We're putting down some pavers, but these bins we've had in the backyard, we're going to take the top off of them. We are looking for a place where we can get some potting soil, because as you all can see, these things are really deep, so we're going to use them as our plant beds as well, containers that we can put other stuff in it. We just got to find enough of planting soil or potting soil. I think that's what. But yeah, potting soil. So you all, here's my little friend over here. Here she is. Looking pretty good. So back here we have cucumbers. That's what it is? Yes, it is. I have my little cheat sheets. And this is parsley, you all. So these purple ones that you see, they are my eggplants. Yummy. I love eggplants. And these are what I was saying, the marigolds that we have. That is pretty much surrounding all of the vegetables, because they deter the bugs and the pests, you all. So over here we have our peppers. They haven't bloomed any yet. I think if I'm not mistaken, I know there's something else that I may have missed. But anyways, you all, she's looking really good. Let me see back here. I think there's some parsley. No, oregano. And that's that. And so yes, that was the parsley over there. And then we have over here, what we got going on over here. You can get a good glimpse of that. So we have some nice basil that I was cutting. So I didn't cut off quite a bit of this, you all, and chopped it up and got it in my refrigerator. So we got the basil, and we have here we have the thyme here, and this is my yellow squash, if I'm not, yep, this right here is our yellow squash. So, and this is, yeah, the sweet basil. So that's the kind of basil that it is. So again, you all. So we also have some lavender and some lemongrass. You all, had some lemongrass tea last night. So let me show you our lemongrass and lavender. So this right here, it was pretty high yesterday, so I have cut it all the way down so it can kind of bloom up again. And this is some lavender that we have as well. So you guys, we are kind of doing a little something out here in Spring Lake. We want to get some strawberries and blueberries and some tomatoes going as well. I think that's what we're going to start next, but we're trying to kind of see how we're doing with this and how this season is going to go. I don't know if he got some seeds, if we've already got him. We're just going to try to throw them. Like I said, we have the bins, so we have a lot of room in those bins to do some things. So don't know if we're going to start it now and just wait. So we will see. But that is my little garden. I wanted to give y'all an update, and I will put the videos behind this just to let you all see kind of the progression of where we are from the beginning to where we are right now. See you all in the next video.